Hi, my name is Mr. Lacey and I'm in charge of the transportation department at Livingston High School that consists of 3 courses for a pathway. First course is Auto 1. It's an introductory course designed for students with little or no prior knowledge of the subject. This is a consumer awareness class that will teach the basic skills needed in automotive ownership and repair. Auto 2 is a continuation course from Auto 1 that will focus on diagnostics and repairs of running engines. Students will focus on mechanical repairs and tool dexterity. The third portion is called Tech 1. This is an advanced course that will follow the completion of Auto 1 and 2, and students will focus on scanner diagnostics and real-world repairs. Completion of this program will result in students being ready for advanced training at technical colleges or straight to industry.
Hello, my name is Julian. I'm a senior at LHS. This is an auto technicians class. This is a little bit of stuff that we do. This is a diesel cutaway. I had to repair it as it wasn't working. In this class you learn basic life skills that are necessary in life, such as changing tires, oil changes, things like that you could use later on. And this class really helps with me a lot as I'm going to go into this industry later on in life, and it's a really good class. You should take it.
Hello, my name is Mr. Woodall. I teach the Manufacturing and Technology pathway. This pathway consists of 3 courses: Metal 1, Metal 2, and Manufacturing Tech. Metal 1 begins preparing students for the machining and welding industries with the introduction to measurement, welding, and machining processes. Metal 2 builds on these previous years' experiences with more complex problems and projects. And Manufacturing Tech, the 3rd year, is a project-based course where students will use MIG, TIG, and stick welding processes, CNC machine centers, and CAD/CAM systems to complete projects ranging from trailers to aerospace parts.
So one thing I like about this class is how we combine technology and raw material and stock to create something new, and I like how it changes what we had in the beginning, and we can create what we want.
Hi, my name is Mr. Zamudio. I teach construction trades here at Livingston High School. I teach construction trades 1, 2, 3, and 4. In construction trades 1, it consists of learning of tools and measurement and getting familiar with all the tools in the classroom. In construction trades 2, 3, and 4, you will get the chance to implement all those skills that you've learned, as long as with using all the tools and power tools that are in the shop area, and use these skill sets after high school and industry, and you will be able to continue training with those skills.
And my best experience here in the LHS wood shop would just be the teamwork skills that you learn here, and neither the everyday uses of any tool, because there's some kids that come in here not knowing how to use a tape measure and leave here proficient in every tool there is.
In our construction trades, our manufacturing and product design, and our auto diagnostic and repair pathways, you will have an opportunity to construct projects and products, collaborate with industry experts, and create a portfolio that will showcase the skills that you learn. Those skills will be helpful in the job market today, as well as for jobs of the future that don't even exist yet.